Welcome back to Shedtune and welcome to Shedtune HQ. Over my shoulder you can see the wonderful new Cutdown that we're going to work on, and we're going to introduce it to you right now. So this is the Cutdown, as you can see. Yeah, I'll pass it. What is it, Dom? It's a
SX150, and it's shit yellow and diarrhea brown.
Yeah, that quality.
I think that's the
quality combination.
The Innocenti colours.
So
hopefully, what we'll do with it is prove that you can polish a turd.
You can't polish this turd.
Well, let's hope so. So, any decent features on it so far?
Couldn't make any worse, could we?
Well, probably not.
Any decent features?
So around the front,
yeah,
I
there's
think
great decent features. It's nasty, so we can only make it better.
Front disc, which is not too bad. It's well cut.
I was very drunk.
Well, I say well cut, I mean it's been cut a lot. I don't think it's a very good job, but there you go. That's just my opinion.
I don't mind it personally.
The arse end.
It looks alright. Yeah.
It's well, it's been cut here, as you can see. I'm going to have to change that, I think. But oh, so far so good.
It's a few bits done to it, and it's just, well, it's not to my taste, but that's why we're changing it.
Right, so there's a little bit of progress on the Cutdown. So far we've put the engine in to just see what's what. We've broke the back light and we put a seat on it, and we're now debating whether our idea was sound or not, but at least it looks like a scooter now. So we've got to put a different tank in it, put the exhaust on it, work out a riding position, and then we're going to paint it. All in one go. And we're not even going to rub it down.
It's already in primer.
Well, yeah, it does, because we can't carry on with those colours.
More holes than I don't know what.
So we've cut the arse end off just to try and get it how we like it. We've loosely got a long range tank in it just to give us an idea of how it's going to look. Be interested to see your thoughts, so please drop some comments below on any ideas you've got for a Cutdown. What else? Realistically, oh, we've got some more goodies as well. So I bought these a while back just in case. Fully adjustable rear sets for both sides. Nice. Done by Adrian Newham. So we're going to put them on, and this is really sort of a dry build to get an idea. Once we've got what we think is what we want, then I suppose we'll paint it. I think we're going to get rid of that as well, and maybe change the front mud guard. Right, that's going to be it for this week's video. Thanks very much for watching. Give us a thumbs up, maybe a subscribe, drop some comments below under the video on ideas for a Cutdown, what you think might look good, maybe colour schemes, I don't know, whatever. What else? Oh, the new stickers have arrived. Look. Ta-da. Shedtune stickers. If you want some free stickers, also drop a comment below and we'll see if we can get them posted out to you. Don't go mad because I ain't got that many. that's about it. Right, thanks for watching. See you soon.